Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, okay, we have again the GT20 Ultra smartwatch, and we have the popular wearable here because of its simplicity and its features, the Glory Fit Smartwatch. Both do have a sporty, fashionable design. They almost have the same size, and both smartwatches is loaded with different sports and health functions. So we are going to check on that, okay, including the design and of course its health features and sports functions. So if you have any questions regarding these wearables, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. And as you can see here, they almost have the same size of the packaging, simple packaging. And we have here the smartwatch. We have the Glory Fit Smartwatch. It is using a charging cradle. Okay, if you want to charge it, just let it sit on the cradle here, and we have a USB port here for charging. Okay, and we have here the GT20 Ultra smartwatch. So again, a charging cradle also, with magnetic. Okay, and still the same, okay, USB charging port. Okay, for the smartwatch design, let me show it to you. Let's have a closer look. Again, this is our GT20 and our Glory Fit smartwatch. They almost have the same body frame here. I think the screen for the GT20 is much bigger, okay, but they do have a 2.5D tempered glass and brighter screen display. For the design, we have a much simpler look for our Glory Fit smartwatch. At the back, our Glory Fit smartwatch is loaded with additional sensors here, as you can see. Both do have a quick release pin for the flexible silicone strap. This one, yes, it is also metal body, the same with a GT20, but it is a glossy finish, while this one brush finish. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the design. So different approach in style. Okay, for the UI, let's have a comparison. Okay, on top we have the quick settings here. How about for the GT20, we have the notifications. On the bottom, we have the quick settings. On the bottom, we have the menus and features. Okay, how about on the right side? Again, okay, my mistake, it's notification on the bottom part. Okay, here it's the quick settings. So different, okay, UI here. On the right side, let's see. So that's the menu again. Okay, menu. For the GT20, we have the different watch faces. Okay, menu again. Okay, so different approach and UI. Let's check on the menus. So we do have a Bluetooth call. Much smaller text for the GT20. Different UI here. Again, let's check. Then let's check here. Again, there are two sets of UI for the Glory Fit smartwatch. Here on the right side, it's all about the Bluetooth call. As you can see here, we have dial pad, call records, and contacts. For the main menus, it's here on the left side. Okay, again, we have here the training, status. We have a heart rate. Let's see the difference. Okay, so different UI. Go back. We also have a blood pressure, SpO2, sleep monitoring. We also have weather, music control. Okay, here's the additional feature here. We have a temperature monitoring. Okay, I guess the Glory Fit do have a much better UI here. Much more organized. More, let's see. About, set language, set time. While for the Glory Fit, we have stopwatch, timer, find, and flashlight. The Glory Fit do have a much better features here. Okay. Everything is organized or categorized. Then, let's see for the sports function. So, there are a lot of features here that is not available on our GT20 Ultra smartwatch. For the sports, let's see. Where's our sports? Okay, so we have running, cycling, skipping, badminton. Okay, so our sports here on our GT20 Ultra, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sports. While for our Glory Fit, it is loaded with different sports function, as you can see here. Double, triple, okay, than the GT20 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, it has a very comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, so there's a lot of sports function included in our Glory Fit smartwatch. Okay, let's check on the running. Let's compare. Running. So it tracks for, okay, the time, calories, steps, distance. Okay, so there's only 3. 1, 2, steps, distance, and time. While for our GT20, it tracks for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. Much better. Okay. Going back. Let's check on the blood pressure here. Blood pressure. Do we have a blood pressure here? Yes, we have. Okay, so different animation here, different UI. How about the music function? Okay, so we have here the music function with the volume control. We don't have it here on our GT20 Ultra. We also have here temperature monitoring. We don't have it here on our GT20 Ultra. Okay, so if you're looking for a body temperature monitor, we have here the Glory Fit Smartwatch. Voice assistance, we have Siri here. We also have voice assistance here. Settings. Okay, set language, watch face, bright screen. So very limited again for the GT20 compared to our Glory Fit Smartwatch. I think overall, the much better smartwatch here is the Glory Fit Smartwatch. Okay, the only thing that is not good about the Glory Fit is the screen display. I think I like the GT20 screen display here. It is much better. Okay, but when it comes to features and menu offerings, the Glory Fit Smartwatch do have a much better features. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the design as well as the menus and features of GT20 Ultra Smartwatch compared with the Glory Fit Smartwatch. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.